Disability. Hey, it will never happen to you, or will it? Disability does happen. Why? Injury. Injury is a result of manufacturing, gas exploration, oil exploration, over-the-road truck driving, any number of things. You could be driving down the street in your own car, bang, you get hit, disability. And then there are all those diseases that come out of the middle of nowhere, cancer, heart disease, and disability strikes. Well, the United States looked at this, and in 1956, under the Eisenhower administration, it said, you know, we've got all these people, hardworking Americans, paying into the Social Security Trust Fund. But those people may never be able to obtain the money that they pay in because they become disabled and have a shortened lifespan as a result. So we think that people who are hardworking Americans paying into the Social Security program should have an ability to take some of that money earlier, obtain some of that money earlier if they are disabled. And the system for years worked very well. How did it work? Somebody would apply for disability. If they were turned down, they had a right to go to an administrative law judge. If they were turned down again, they could go to a hearing before a federal district court judge. Long story short, it worked well, decisions were made. But under the Obama administration, a number of regulatory changes were made, a lot of red tape came to the fore, and beginning in 2013, the system slowed way down. By 2017, over 1 million people were waiting for a hearing. In 2017, over 10,000 people died before they ever got a decision. Well, what kind of changes were made? Among the changes that were made is the number of hearings that a judge could conduct were decreased. Previously, a judge could hear up to 5 cases a day or even more if the judge was energized to do that. Under these new regulations, they hear approximately 2 cases a day. In addition, in the old days, the judge would write the decision, and within 30 days, within 6 weeks of a hearing, there would generally be a written decision. Today, the decisions aren't being written by the judge. They're sent off to unknown decision-writing departments, and there we have unknown, nameless, faceless bureaucrats who are writing decisions and have no regulations as to how soon they have to write these decisions. It can take 4, 6, 8 months or more before a decision is written. And people wait and wait and wait. As I said in 2017, 70,000 people were waiting for a decision. Okay, so what can be done to fix this broken system? A system that once worked and is now broken. Well, a number of very simple things. Get rid of this red tape. Get rid of these bureaucratic regulations that are doing nothing but slowing down the system. The judges, the administrative judges, hate it because they don't even know who's writing the decisions. Let the judges do what the judges are hired to do. Let them hold hearings. Let them write decisions. Let them give people a decision so that they, in fact, know where they stand. And all of this can happen if we simply have a few changes in the bureaucratic structure. And who can do that? The president can do that. The president can simply do that. Donald Trump came to Washington saying he would make government work. This is a very simple thing that can be done, and tomorrow we can be rid of these regulations, and a system that once worked very well can work again. Additionally, we can bring pressure on Congress to say, hey, let's make this broken system work. Writing, contacting, calling congressional representatives so that they will take some action. I bring you this legal video blog so that you understand how the system is presently broken. Why? Because every paycheck you pay into the system, and it's there, was intended to be there to help you if indeed that disability you thought would never happen does in fact happen. But it's not working. It's not working at all. You need to understand that, as you need to understand generally how the law works, and that's why I bring you these video blogs every week. My name's David Allen.